Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop backup messages on WhatsApp. It's super easy and I will make sure you get it right. Make sure to watch complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's start our video. First of all, open the WhatsApp app. There are three dots present upside in the corner. We have to click on this. There are so many options. We have to click on settings one like this, and now there are so many options. We have to go on a chat one. Now scroll down and there is the option chat backup. We have to click on this, and now there are option backup to Google Drive. We have to click on this. Now there are so many options. Never, only when I tap backup, daily, weekly, monthly. We have to click on never like this, and now your WhatsApp has been stopped. So this is our video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more content. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.